I'm Jake Pham, President and co-founder of the Crescent Moon Snowshoe Company here at the Chautauqua City Park in beautiful Boulder, Colorado, where we've been making our eco-friendly snowshoes since 1997. We are committed to building our products as green and as earth-friendly as possible, and we continue to research alternatives for both the components we use and the way in which we manufacture them. We think it's a paradox to build outdoor products that aren't environmentally friendly or consistent to the outdoor world in which they are used, which is why we've eliminated PVC, we recycle everything, and we use wind-powered energy to run our shop. Sort of like the Ben & Jerry's of the snowshoe industry. Today I'm here to answer the question, why would you choose Crescent Moon snowshoes when there's so many other brands to pick from? Now, in any snowshoe that you consider, there are three fundamental points that you should look at. First and foremost is the binding. The second thing is the shape of the shoe. The third thing is the traction system on the back. The Svl binding, or single pull loop, is the only binding that captures your foot in all directions with equal tension to translate the motion of your foot in the most effective, performance-oriented way. The binding is anatomically shaped for a perfect fit, and with a simple pull of the top strap and a ratcheting adjustment of the heel strap, the Svl conforms to the shape and movement of your foot, capturing it in all directions, not only from top down, but from side to side, and most uniquely, from front to back. The Svl is the only binding that captures your foot in all directions. Getting out of the Svl binding is as simple as pulling on the release loop and squeezing the ratcheting buckle binding in the back and removing your foot. Now, there are only two ways to mount a binding on a snowshoe. One is called a fixed rotation and the other is called a free rotation. A fixed rotation shoe, like all of the Crescent Moons, with each step you take, the tail of the shoe follows closely behind the natural motion of your heel. So you can lift your foot over a rock or a tree or a fence or whatever you might typically encounter on your outing. Now this, as opposed to a free rotation shoe, is designed to freely rotate around an axle located near the ball of your foot, so that with each step the tail of the shoe drags behind you and is much less maneuverable and, we believe, less enjoyable than a shoe that mimics the natural motion of your stride. Crescent Moon snowshoes are designed to maximize your mobility and provide you with a natural, easy stride. They are the most athletic shoe on the market. The last thing to look at in any snowshoe is the traction system. Crescent Moon has a unique toe claw that provides a complete and natural rotation of your foot, and most importantly, the use of your toe in every step. That's particularly important when you're going uphill, since your toe is the last thing to leave the ground, and you use them to push off for greater traction. Other designs which don't include toe claws don't give you nearly the traction that you get from a Crescent Moon binding. So when you're shopping for a snowshoe, look for a binding that provides a comfortable, ergonomic fit, a frame that allows you to walk naturally, and a traction system that works in harmony with the natural rotation of your foot. And I think you'll find that Crescent Moon is easily the best snowshoe on the market. If you have other questions, call us at 1-800-587-7655. Visit us on the web at crescentmoonsnowshoes.com. or ask any of our excellent dealers across the country for which model is right for you.